This video is for our front alpha rail brace. These are very prone to breaking and cracking, usually up from this rivet hole. So this brace covers and caps the whole top and stiffens the sides and mounts in to the center casting. So these are a very easy install. Fit in there. You'll just need a little bit of a rubber mallet to tap it over top of that rivet. There you go, we got her in place, and now we'll start riveting. So we'll start from the back, get these plugged in here so it pulls it back, and then we'll come to the front, rivet that in there, and we'll finish it off. And there it is, all installed. Very, very easy install. It is easiest to take your rail out for these. Your wheels have to come off and your shock is in the way. So you have to remove, I think your shock you can flip back out of the way, but your wheels you have to take off to get into the rivets.